If you are looking to do oil life reset, all you have to do is just slide in the screen on the left side, click on the setup option right there. Then we click on the vehicle. After that, press convenience. Now pay attention on two things here. There are two options that we have to reset. First one is the service interval. In my case, the service interval is not enabled. This is the reason why I do not need to do the service interval reset. So what I'll do is I'll go back and I will only do oil change reminder reset, which is right here. It's asking if the engine oil has been changed. We press yes. And the oil life has been reset. But again, just to tell you guys one more time, in your case, if the service interval is already enabled, you would need to do the reset on that as well. And after that, you will come back on that section, which is oil change reminder, and then you reset the oil change reminder. Once this is done, all you have to do is just press the home screen button, and there it is. That is how you do the oil life reset. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.